Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users face no sound problem while watching YouTube on laptop. The video plays but there is no audio at all. This usually happens because the browser sound is muted. If you are facing this issue, do not worry. I will show you how to fix no sound on YouTube step by step. First, open Chrome or any browser on your laptop. Now open the YouTube website. Next, look at the left side of the website address bar. Click on the settings or lock icon beside the website link. Now click on Site Settings. Here look for the sound option. Tap on the drop-down menu next to Sound. Select Allow. After that, close the Settings tab. Refresh the YouTube page. Now play any video again. The sound should work normally. That is how you fix no sound on YouTube on laptop. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more laptop fixes and troubleshooting tutorials.